Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to my lecturer, Madam Muna Liana. I hope that you have a great day today. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. So, my name is Nuriza binti Jadi and a matrix number is 2020959915. So today I will be doing an informative speech and I will be talking about the topic of dehydration. So we know that dehydration is a very common thing that most adults and basically every human can experience this. So what is dehydration? Dehydration is a condition when the water in the body is insufficient, or as we know, there is an excessive loss of body fluids. Even low levels of dehydration can cause headaches, lethargy, and constipation. Basically, dehydration is it because we are not getting enough water and losing too much of water in the body. So, as we know that the human body is roughly 75% of water. Without water in body, we cannot survive. Sometimes, why dehydration can occur to us? In my opinion, it is a simple reason. So, not getting enough water, it might be because we are getting sick and busy from doing work or else. And maybe it can be we are lack access to drinking water when travel, hiking or camping and anything else. Dehydration have three types of dehydration. So the first is hypotonic, second is hypertonic, and third is isotonic. So we go through to the first type, which is hypotonic. Hypotonic, there is a lot more water and encounters the cells to restore balance and more sodium lost than water, resulting in lower concentration of fluids. Move to the second type is hypertonic. So hypertonic will make the cells to burn off all that energy, and it's occurred when more water than sodium is lost from the body. And the last one type is isotonic. Isotonic is a proper balance of water and solids and don't cause fluid to shift inside or outside of the cell, and it will occur when proportionally quantity of sodium and water will lost from the body. So our body is always wants to stay balanced. So when we don't get enough water and the body will out of balance. Have you ever noticed that abnormal drop of your body weight, feeling weak and lethargic? It is because of all the symptom is dehydration. Dehydration is something important that you should know and is nothing minor to play with. Dehydration may also even threaten our life in extreme cases. Dehydration is lose an excess number of water and fluids from our system. So when the level of water loss increase in the body, it will have more symptoms can become apparent, which is dry mouth, eyes stop making tears, sweating may stop, muscle cramp, vomiting, heart palpitations, lightheadedness is especially when we are standing, weakness and decreased urine output. Our body is trying to maintain the cardiac output. So what is cardiac output? Cardiac output is the amount of blood that fully pumps inside the heart and moves to the body. So if the amount is fluid into the intravascular space is decreased by increasing the heart rate, will making blood vessels constrict to try maintain blood pressure and blood flow to the vital organs in our body. And it will affect to the body, and the blood will flow away from the skin to internal organs, which is brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, intestines, and it will cause the skin to feel cool and clammy. And when we feel we are dehydrated, we also can likely to have a low blood pressure, especially when moving from a lying to a standing position. Another common that leads to become dehydration is because when we are too much exposed at the hot environment. It is because the heat is rise in the internal temperature in our body will sweat to compensate for the heat, and it will cause expels liquid out from our system in the body. In conclusion, we should prevent dehydration, and the obvious treatment is drinking enough water. As we know that water is a vital nutrient for our life, and it is a good thing when we are having 8 ounces of water or more every day. And it's also a good thing when about eating a hydrating food such as cucumbers, watermelons, apple or almonds. And another good thing that we have to practice this habit in our life is keeping a bottle of water handy at all times. So please, we also can avoid dehydration by being alert about our health and drink enough water, and you are going to be well hydrated. I hope that you guys enjoy with my speeches, and I hope this speech was helpful to all of us. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.